Hey, creators and publishers! Looking to launch a fun and engaging coloring book on Amazon KDP? We've got you covered. Introducing the Bold and Simple Animal in Costumes Coloring Pages Bundle, the easiest way to publish a best-selling coloring book today. This 70-plus page bundle is packed with adorable animals in playful costumes, lions as superheroes, pandas in party outfits, and bunnies dressed as witches. Each page is designed with bold and simple lines, making it perfect for all ages. Publishing with this bundle is super easy. Download instantly, get high-quality PNG, PDF, and SVG files, ready for upload. Customize your cover, choose from 10-plus cover backgrounds or design your own. Upload to KDP, the 8.5 by 8.5 inch, with bleed, format fits perfectly into Amazon's system. Set your price and publish. Start earning passive income today. Here's why this is a must-have for KDP publishers. Saves time, no need to design from scratch. High quality and print-ready, Amazon KDP friendly. Perfect for beginners and experienced sellers, start selling in no time. Grab your Bold and Simple Animal in Costumes Coloring Pages bundle today at craftsbeefy.com and start publishing now.